So what we have here is retail office space. It was previously occupied by a real estate company with some pre-built offices along the perimeter. Right over here is your entrance at 482 Driggs Avenue. So you come up one flight of steps. They have it configured where there's reception and then some pre-built offices up here. It's 5,100 square feet. It has existing HVAC systems, and I feel like it has a really nice installation. It's on Driggs Avenue, so pretty busy thoroughfare, but also not too busy if you're looking to use it as an office space. And it's available now. So 482 Driggs Avenue. If you'd like to have a look, it's got about 6 private offices that exist. And in the rear here, you have a bathroom and a kitchenette. Reach out if you'd like to have a look. This is Corey Cohen. Much appreciated.